What I'm going to show you today is this auto assist garage parking laser guide. What this is basically is you're going into your garage, you got a bunch of junk in there, it's piled up, and then you're only left with this just a limited amount of space, and you don't want to just start running and crushing things over. So what we got over here is basically, you can just, as you can see in the packaging, it's got an instruction manual, it's got the screws in the back, it also has a backup 9-volt battery that you can put inside. It's not included with the packaging, but as you can see, it's got a little bit of screws and equipment to assemble. Simple, just plug it into the wall, and you got this laser with this this a sensor right there. So the second you come in and it sees you guys coming, the laser comes down and points down in the area. You'll start to recognize exactly where that position is and where you need to stop. So it's going to basically prevent damage from vehicles. It's just this perfect garage parking assistance. It's something that everybody pretty much needs in their home. If you have any other questions, please feel free to go ahead and visit us at www.oxgord.com.